please explain that?
Yeah, so this is the deep shockwave therapy machine, radial pressure wave. So this machine is actually really good for the chronic issues in terms of the soft tissue, connective tissue wise. So let's say, for example, one of the biggest diagnoses that they're really effective for is the plantar fasciitis for the chronic issue. So let's say the manual therapy can't really change the reformation of the tissue and everything. The shockwave can create enough pulses for reorganizing the soft tissue or connective tissue, and it will actually create some type of minimal inflammation to reorganize and also to promote the healing factor for it. So let's say for this is good for people who have been experiencing plantar fasciitis, let's say continuously or even like recurring situations. So they will, for example, they'll get the plantar fasciitis after they get treated, they'll get better, and they'll get that again. Like they'll get same symptoms again over and over, and the shockwave therapy will be a really optimal care for that too. Yeah. For all the shockwave therapy, so now Yohei has the calf problem for the muscle, and put the preset machine for the tibialis treatment for the posterior chain. So I put the gel around the area and start the treatment. So the machine will start, and you press onto the handle machine. That's when this pulse starts. Like this. And,
That's good.
yeah. And then I'm gonna put pressure on.
Not much actually.
Yeah. And you spread the gel around as you treat it. So do the circular motion into it.
This is good. You don't push deeper when you do it?
Yeah, apparently you're supposed to put some more pressure. But of course that according to like the comfort level for the patient.